Deep in the heart of a wide green jungle lived a little lion named Lumo. Unlike the other lions, Lumo was small and soft-voiced. His roar sounded more like a squeak, and because of that, he often wondered if he was brave enough to be called a lion at all. Lumo loved his jungle. He loved the tall trees that whispered in the wind, the colorful birds that danced across the sky, and the animals who greeted each other every morning at the river. Life felt safe and peaceful until one dark afternoon. Heavy clouds rolled across the sky. Thunder growled, louder than any lion's roar, and rain poured down like falling stones. The river swelled and twisted, breaking its banks and rushing wildly through the jungle. Trees fell, burrows flooded, nests were swept away. The animals ran in fear. Lumo watched as the river blocked the paths through the jungle, separating families and destroying homes. His heart pounded. He was scared, but he also felt something new, a strong desire to help. He ran to the oldest elephant, Mara, who stood steady even as water rushed past her feet. "We can't stop the rain," Lumo said, his voice shaking.
"We can't stop the rain, but maybe we can help each other."
A true leader thinks of others. Tell me your idea, little lion.
"We stand together now."
Lumo
We
gathered
are
the animals
courageous.
together, the elephants, the monkeys, birds, turtles, deer, and even the shy crocodiles. Though he was small, they listened. "The river is angry," Lumo said, "but if we work together, we can guide it away from our homes."
Be afraid. Follow me.
The monkeys climbed the trees and tied long vines together. The elephants pushed fallen logs into the river to slow the water. The beavers gnawed at wood to build barriers. Birds flew high, guiding animals to safe ground. Even the crocodiles helped by clearing blocked paths underwater. Lumo ran from group to group, encouraging everyone. "Together," he called, "we are stronger together." Hours passed. Slowly, the roaring river calmed. The water found a new path, flowing safely away from the jungle homes. The storm clouds drifted apart, and the sun peeked through, painting the jungle gold. The animals cheered. Mara gently touched Lumo with her trunk. "Today, you roared louder than any lion," she said. Lumo smiled. He realized that bravery was not about being big or loud. It was about caring, thinking, and bringing others together in hard times. From that day on, whenever the jungle faced trouble, the animals looked to Lumo, not because he was the strongest, but because he had the bravest heart. And the little lion never doubted himself again.
We are stronger together.